every dollar that companies are spending on people matters a lot, right? So not only they are watching the ROI, but asking the question: Is this the right place to spend that dollar? We have several clients who are actually taking a look back at all the dollars that they spend in executive education, leadership development programs, coaching, and sending executives to off-the-shelf programs and saying, okay, are we even investing in the right areas here? Have we actually linked the investment that we make in executive development and education with what our strategy is and the skills needed to get there, and the current baseline, meaning where do our executives and leaders and managers have skills gaps, and then being very focused on that. So focus and prioritization are really key here.